YouTube, what is up? I am Ace, and today I wanted to share with you my first impressions of the Life Q35 wireless noise canceling headphones by Soundcore. Now, full transparency, Soundcore did send these to me as a test unit to get my opinion on them. And I also want to apologize. I say, all right, a lot during the unboxing. So take a shot for every time Ace says all right. All right, let's get to unboxing. All right, we have got the Soundcore by Anchor Life Q35 headphones, wireless noise canceling headphones, high definition wireless sound, and you get 40 hours of playtime, AI enhanced calls, and smart wear detection, and high resolution audio, wireless or plugged in with an auxiliary cable. And what's in the box here, you get the headphones, USB Type-C charging cable, the auxiliary to plug it directly in, and you get a travel case, and you get an airline adapter, which is cool. So what else we got here? Incredible sound, loved by 20 million. And looking around, you get the hybrid noise canceling with an internal mic and an external mic. And then we're back here on the bottom, and then on the back, it has the wireless certification, smart wear detection, 40 hours of playtime, crystal clear voice for calls, and 5 minutes to charge. Oh, 5 minutes to charge and 4 hours of playtime. Nice. Fast pairing and touch for transparency mode, because you'll have noise canceling and also transparency mode to where you can hear your surroundings. So let's go ahead and bust out the old unboxing knife here. And let's see, how do we, I believe it's around the back here. This seems about right. Try not to hurt myself here. All right. And bump the camera. All right. Set that off over there. Let's get this thing unwrapped. Okay. The crinkle of the plastic. Just love that sound. Alrighty. So here we go. Let's see about figures. Alright. Pop right open. Got the Soundcore paper with ooh, that's nice. There's the carrying case and the headphones. How we do sound. All right, you got your paperwork here. Oh, just a little pull tab here. Get that undone. Instruction, quick start guide, warnings and guidelines and all that kind of stuff. And what was this? Tell your friends and family the sound. It's all about the sound. All right. Okay, so now that's cool. There's nothing else in the box, which means that everything that comes, the power adapter, the USB Type-C cord, and everything fits in the traveling case. Oh, now that feels nice. Nice little cloth little bag. It's got the logo on it, Soundcore. All right, let's unzip this thing and take a look what we got. Wow. All right. So we got our headphones. Very nice. It's got little, look, I'm not sure if that's leather. It feels like leather. It's got a nice, I don't know if that's memory foam, but it's got a good padding. It's good quality. That same leather up around top here. And let's see, what's that? Touch for transparency, NFC. All right. Go ahead and pull that sticker off. And then, yeah. So it's supposed to have the ear detection to where you can put them on and it'll play, and then when you take them off, they'll stop playing. So let's see what else is in here. Got a little bag. And in the little bag, we have got, all right, you got your cables. You have got your USB Type A to USB Type C. So you'll need a USB Type A charging brick, which me having Apple products over the years, that's all that I have. And then you have your direct line in that you can plug them in to a headphone jack and listen directly wired in. And then what do we got here? Oh, microphone. Or no, it could be the mute. Could be an up and down volume. I'll have to check that out. And then what else we got here? We have got the adapter for the airline adapter. All right, that's cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to connect them to my phone. I've got the app downloaded. Go ahead and get these connected, and I'll give you some first impressions. And then, yeah, these feel real nice. It's got it's plastic. The headbands, oh yeah, those come out pretty big. I've got, you guys know me. I got a big fat head. Looks like these will work. There's your charging port, your power, and then yeah. Then you got all your controls over here. Got the volume up and down, the play, pause, and this is the NC button. Noise canceling. It's for the noise canceling. So, good clicky buttons. It's something I kind of miss, having AirPods. It'll be nice to try out some clicky buttons. We all like clicky buttons. All right, hang tight, and I will be right back. Let's get these connected to the phone and give them a check. All right. I got my iPhone connected to the Q35s, and now when they talk about pairing Bluetooth being fast, they're not kidding. It's a quick click of the button, and then poof, it just shows up lightning fast. Popped them on my head, played a song. Everything sounded really good, sounded crisp, had some good bass to it. Then I went to the Soundcore app, and man, do they have a ton of equalizer settings in that app. I mean, they got rock, they got classical, acoustic, R&B, even podcasts. And that's just to name a few. And if those don't tickle your fancy, then you can go and make your own custom EQ. You can name it and select, the levels and make it, sound the way you want it to sound. Now, when it comes to the build quality on these, I mean, they're really good. It's that, everything, nothing's, creaky or nothing like that, or feels like it's gonna break. And it's super light, super, super light. I mean, I know a lot of the times when people talk about quality, it's gotta be hefty to have quality to it. No, they nailed it on these. I mean, super light. But my favorite thing is I don't know what is this? What is this skin? It is like a baby soft shark skin. Just want to wear it on my face. But it's not meant for your face. No, sir. These are meant to go on your head. And with the ear cups, it's comfortable. I mean, it fits well. It's very light. I don't see any issues with wearing these for a good couple of hours straight. And speaking of a couple hours straight, these are claiming to have 40 hours of playback time on a 100% charge. So I'll get these things charged up and, run it through the gaming and, music and movies and trying it on other devices, making telephone calls. If there's, something you guys want me to test out or to try out, leave me a comment down below. Now, I am giving up my AirPods Pro. I'm setting these to the side and I'm going 100% with the Q35s. So now, and these have really good transparency and noise canceling. So we'll see if these can compare to that, but these are going to the wayside. So, wow, I just, AirPods everywhere. That's okay. I don't need those anymore. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, drop me a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you can get my full review when I get that done, and you guys can see what I really think of these. But hey, YouTube, as always, be safe, be kind, peace and love.